Looking to excel in your career in 2024 and beyond, please continue to watch this video. Number 1, forget and relearn. Now is the era of AI with technologies like ChatGPT, Gemini and Copilot becoming ubiquitous. If you still want to stay ahead, it's essential to forget all the outdated methods you're currently using. Then relearn and understand new concepts. Don't believe me? Please research and monitor what the top competitors are doing right now. 2, plans can't keep up with changes. If you work in the fields like digital marketing or technology, you know that changes, evolution, and updates happen too quickly to keep up with. I suggest re-evaluating your plans to ensure they're still up to date by the time your campaign or project launches. This is crucial because you might miss the optimum timing and need to devise a new strategy. 3, always refer, observe, and monitor what the leaders in your industry are doing. Competitor research is essential for most of us, but how often do you do it? In fact, I suggest expanding your perspective, including markets in the US, Europe, China, or any emerging market. The answer you're looking for might be found there, so there's no need to reinvent the wheel. 4, mindset and thought. Whether you're a leader, part of a team, or an executive, if your mindset isn't aligned with the company goals or targets, you won't be able to move the whole organizations forward. For example, requiring everyone to abandon old thoughts and relearn new technology or concept is crucial. Of course, there will be a transition, but for those who remain stubborn, you should consider their future role within the organization. 5, how AI integrated are you in your work? This is my own concept, like the AI involvement skill in your work. People often talk about AI, but the question is, how much have you actually implemented and used it? From tools and software to mindset, are you ready to make use or utilize AI effectively? Trust me, many of the problems you're facing already have solutions, and new ones are continually being developed because of AI. 6, people craft authenticity and a human touch now. In case you weren't aware, much of the news, publication, and content you consuming now is created by AI, which means it's not real at all. I bet you didn't realize it most of the time. There's a rising trend of user crafting real authenticity from humans, not AI. That's why simply using a phone to record a short video is often more effective than producing super polished content. Users are looking for new reviews, opinions, and thoughts from industry leaders and are bored with the same messages generated by AI. 7, the cycle is getting shorter. From business cycle and product cycle to Moore's law and other trends, everything is moving faster than you might expect. New business ideas emerge and startups are created, but then a new trend might appear. If you're unable to focus and maintain your goal, you might end up achieving nothing in the end. It's very tempting and high risk, but please consider carefully before making the final decision to pivot your career direction. Learn something new? Please like this video.